no, you gotta sit right beside me.
Why are you wearing a cowboy hat, Dad?
This is what cowboys do.
I see.
This is how a cowboy empties a pool. Okay, you ready? We're gonna put one slice here, so Bella gets wet. And then I was gonna make a slice here and a slice here, okay?
What about the slice in the middle?
How about just right in the middle, Papa? Go in the middle.
Bella! Look at it, hardly even comes out.
Do it in the middle. Middle, Papa.
Diagonal. Diagonal.
Middle.
Diagonal.
It did work, didn't it? Except I landed in the blackberry. Oh, God. You okay, Devin?
Yeah.
Wow.